Hey guys, it's very important that your electrical panel, circuit breaker, is properly identified as to what appliances or devices that your circuit breakers go to and feed in the event that you want to perform some maintenance on those, and to make sure that you have the correct circuit isolated. It's very important that you label these, and my panel, as you can see, is labeled pretty good. It's a fairly new home we built a few years ago, but just to make this a little bit better enhanced, what I'd recommend is using a black Sharpie ink pen and maybe putting a number here on the panel itself. Just number these in sequential order, and then go back to your individual outlets, and on the inside of the outlet cover you could put the corresponding circuit breaker number onto the panel. It just kind of gives you a quick reference. So now let's use this black Sharpie and sequentially number the circuits. And I'm going to start with the blank ones up here because you never know when they may be used. So I'm going to go ahead and start with number 1 up here, even though they may not have circuits in those, okay? Okay, if you look real closely, then you can see I have each circuit sequentially numbered on both sides. So next we'll go up and remove one of the corresponding electrical outlet covers, and then label that with the associated breaker. So we'll go ahead and move this cover. This is the one in the garage, so we already know that this is circuit breaker number 6 on our panel. And what you want to do is test and verify this before you actually label it. So on the inside of your cover, then just write the corresponding circuit breaker number, okay? You could just write it in one corner. We had to work on this electrical outlet and had to replace it to make sure we have the correct power turned off. We know we want to turn off circuit number 6 on the panel, okay? So if we go and look at circuit number 6, it says car receptacles, okay? So we would simply turn that off. So you can see the benefit of properly labeling and numbering your circuit breakers and properly identifying those in the need of emergency or repairs. So not only a written description, but if you can number these sequentially, it'll make life a lot better. Then you can just transfer that particular breaker number to the inside cover of your electrical outlet covers. Before you do any repairs, you need to make sure you test that circuit to make sure it's indeed off. So I hope this was a good tip for you today. Have a great day.